Well, okay, here we go. While I was doing some videos the other day, one of the guys that watches my videos noticed this car in the background and said, "Hey, what about that?" So, okay, I guess I need to share this one too. And as I started, Bailey walked up and said, "Hey, what you doing? Talk to me." So there's Bailey. 66 Volkswagen. Some of you VW guys will say, yeah, that's a 6-volt car. Yeah, that's about the end of the 6-volt era for Volkswagens. Black plate, California car. And the history is one owner until it fell into my hands with the original owner's manual, warranty book, and so forth. It has had one repaint in the original color, and it's just a well used, I suppose you'd say, original V-dub. And you'll notice that it has air conditioning. How about that? Let's go back here and see what else it might have under the hood. That's correct. The air conditioning compressor is gone. Where it is or how long it's been gone, I have no idea. And you can see the original blue color there with some of the repaint years ago over the top. The car is so original that it still has the correct original toolkit, spare tire, and jack. And you can see how many miles are on the odometer here, which are probably original, 56,000 something. Yeah, it needs some more help inside, but it is what it is. Go around front so you can get a good look at everything up here. And the toolkit's still in the bag right there. Spare tire. The hose is missing that goes from the air to the windshield washer, but the nose of the car is still in pretty good shape. That's, I guess, one of the things that all the VW guys take a look at. It's like I say, just a VW Beetle, nothing special. It's kind of cool to find one once in a while like this. Thanks for watching.